Welcome to SpitfireWebsites.com. In this tutorial video, I'll show you how to add an email address from your client area. First, log into your client area using your email address and password. Next, head down to the service's title and click on the tile. Next, select the active service and wait to be navigated to the service's dashboard. As you can see, this is my active service. Click here and wait to be navigated. Welcome to the service's dashboard. Here you can log into your website, manage your email addresses, and many more. To add an email address, navigate down to the Quick Add Email Address section and enter your name. Next, give your email a strong password. And then click on Create. And voila! Your email address has been created successfully. Next, head up to the email account section. Here you can view all the active email accounts in the company. Click on Manage to open the email address options. As displayed, you can add a new password and even manage the storage limit on the account. Under Configure, you'll be able to see all the email credentials you'll need for Microsoft Outlook and other email apps. Your username, password, incoming and outgoing credentials is displayed here. Remember to always set up your email account as IMAP, as the IMAP function ensures your data security. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.